So it looks like Taz's power steering pump went bad. It's not leaking, it's just whining. So we're going to turn around and take the pulley off, get ready to replace it. Had that right along with that new water pump, clutch fan. Not bad, not bad. The Chevy is throwing it off in there. Wow. Yep, this one's all done too. Turnkey, ready to roll. On there pretty tight. Way too tight. I'm gonna have to the right socket for that one. Yeah, it's always good to have one of these tools. They come in handy. And they're very cheap to go buy.
It's pretty tight.
So now we're ready to take that in and get a warranty.
This car came out good.
Yeah, it did. Actually, turnkey and go too.
Really? Looks cool. I would say.
Not bad. Pump off the bracket. Should be good. That fits a little better. Grab the extension. Yeah, it's like a three-piece setup to get the power steering pump actually off. Gotta get the pulley off, the bracket off.
So what, there's 4 bolts technically?
3. 3 bolts.
3 bolts?
So once you get that off, that's actually the power steering pump.
Oh, I thought
Make
it was
sure
like...
you get a bucket, drain all your fluids so we don't get them everywhere.
Yep.
But it's not that hard. Pretty simple. Stay tuned for putting it back together. See how it turned out.